So I'm starting off with a piece of white paper, and I've drawn my ghost shape onto the piece of paper. It's about 3 centimeters high, so you need it to be bigger at the start, so when you shrink it down it'll be the normal size. Then I've got my sheet of Shrinkies, and I'm just going to pop that over the top of the ghost and secure it onto the paper with a little bit of washi tape, just so when I'm drawing it doesn't move. I've got a black acrylic paint pen. This one's by Nova, which you can get at Craft Label. I'm going to use this to draw around the outline of my ghost. So I've gone around the outline of my ghost with the acrylic paint pen, and then I'm going to leave this to dry. You have to wait till it's 100% dry. Don't try drying it with heat faster, because that'll activate the Shrinkies and then your whole design will start shrinking in front of your eyes before you're ready. So just pop it to one side and just leave it to dry, and then we'll come back and do the next step once that's completely dry. Okay, so now I've got my black layer dry. I'm going to go in with the white paint pen and fill in all the gaps, making sure that I don't go over the black, so I don't want it to scratch off. So the white layer is done, and I'm just going to leave that to dry again like I did with the black layer. Got my little ghost, he's all dry, and now I'm going to cut him out. There he is, looking all nice and spooky, and I'm going to punch a hole in the top using my hole punch. Here's my ghost ready to be shrunk. I've put my heatproof mat down so it doesn't damage the table. I've got my ghost and I've got my heat gun. So I'm just going to start heating it up, and you'll see it start to flip around and twist and bend, but then it should flatten itself out once it has shrunk all the way down. And then I'm just going to use something like the bottom of a glass to press it down, just to get the shape nice and flat. So here we go. And there's my little ghost Shrinky. So I'm really pleased with how it turned out. And now I'm going to mount that onto an earring and it'll be done. And here are my final earrings. I really love this tutorial, and these are perfect for wearing for Halloween. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you make it yourself, let me know, and I'll be back soon with some more creations. Take care.